Finding the right water filter is tricky. I've used many brands, but the ICEPURE refrigerator filter for Whirlpool is a winner. It's a lifesaver. This filter works like a charm. It fits my Whirlpool refrigerator perfectly. The installation is a breeze. I don't need any tools. I just twist it in place. Then I enjoy fresh, clean water. It takes away weird smells. Also, it removes bad tastes. My water is crystal clear now. It feels like drinking from a spring. The difference is night and day. This 5-pack is a great value. It saves me money, and I'm set for a while. Furthermore, this filter is a great replacement. It's a perfect match for many models. Specifically, it works with Whirlpool EDR5 RXD1 and EveryDrop Filter 5. It replaces PUR W10186668, NLC 240V, and 4,396,510. Even more, it fits 4396508P, 4,392,857, and RWF0500A. The compatibility is excellent. The ICEPURE refrigerator filter for Whirlpool is a versatile choice. It gives me peace of mind. I know I'm getting a quality product. The water pressure is strong. The water flows smoothly. It's like a gentle river. I never have to worry about clogs. The filter does its job. It's a tireless guardian. In conclusion, I highly recommend this product. It's reliable and effective. I'm very happy with my purchase. The ICEPURE refrigerator filter for Whirlpool is a great buy. My family drinks more water now because the taste is so good. It's a small change, but it makes a huge impact. Ultimately, it's an investment in health. I feel good about what we're drinking. The 5-pack is super convenient. I always have a replacement ready, so I never run out of clean water. It's an essential part of my kitchen. Pros: same quality and fitment. Water tastes crystal clear. Perfect fit. Simple replacement. Excellent price. Reliable, affordable, convenient, great value, easy exchange of filters. Fits perfect, easy to install, fast delivery, made a difference in the taste. Cons: the reviews are all positive. All reviewers gave it 4 or 5 stars. Features: compatible with multiple brands, long-lasting filter life, easy to install, high quality. Coconut carbon, includes 5 filters, replacement for Whirlpool EDR5 RXD1 affordable multi-pack. Improves water taste. The ICEPURE 4,396,508 refrigerator water filter is a great choice for replacing your old filter. It works with many popular brands like Whirlpool and PUR. Each filter lasts a long time and is easy to install. The filters are made with high-quality coconut carbon, which helps to make your water taste better. This pack includes 5 filters, so you'll have plenty of replacements on hand at an affordable price. The ICEPURE 4,396,508 refrigerator water filter is a highly rated replacement for several popular brands, including Whirlpool EDR5 RXD1 and EveryDrop Filter 5. Reviewers consistently give it 4 or 5 stars, praising its excellent value and reliable performance. The filters are easy to install and fit perfectly, making for a simple and convenient replacement process. Customers noted a significant improvement in water taste, describing it as crystal clear. With its affordable price and fast delivery, this filter pack is considered a great value.